Hello and welcome to English Cat. Let's enjoy a calm English listening practice together. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Listen to my voice. Today, we will talk about a simple, peaceful day. We will talk about waking up, enjoying nature, and finding quiet moments. Don't worry if you miss a word. Just relax and listen. The sun comes up. It is early morning. The light comes through the window. It is soft and yellow. I open my eyes slowly. The room is quiet. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. It feels good to wake up. It is a new day, a fresh start. I get out of bed. The floor is a little cold, but I have my slippers. I walk to the kitchen. The house is very silent. Everyone is sleeping. I am the only one awake. I fill the kettle with water. I turn it on. I wait for the water to boil. While I wait, I look out the window. The sky is light blue. I see a bird sitting on a tree. The bird is singing a morning song. It sounds happy. The water is ready. I make a cup of tea. I pour the hot water into my favorite cup. The steam rises up. It smells warm and sweet. I hold the cup with both hands. The cup warms my hands. I take a small sip. It is delicious. I sit on a chair by the window. I drink my tea slowly. I do not rush. Today, there is no hurry. I simply watch the world wake up. I watch the cars on the street. I watch the leaves move in the wind. This is my favorite part of the day. Just me and my tea and the quiet morning. After my tea, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water. The water wakes me up fully. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and smile. I am ready to start the day. I go to my bedroom to choose my clothes. What should I wear today? The weather looks nice. It is sunny, but maybe a little breezy. I choose a comfortable shirt. I choose a pair of blue jeans. I put on my socks. I check my bag. Do I have everything? Keys, wallet, phone. Yes, everything is there. I am ready to go out. I open the front door. The fresh air hits my face. The air smells like rain and grass. I take a deep breath. Breathing is important. Breathe in and breathe out. I lock the door behind me. I walk down the steps. I say good morning to my neighbor. He is walking his dog. The dog is small and brown. The dog wags its tail. It is a friendly dog. My neighbor smiles and waves. Have a nice day, he says. You too, I reply. Simple interactions make the day better. I decide to walk to the park. The park is not far from my house. It is a 10-minute walk. Walking is good exercise. It clears my mind. I arrive at the park. There are many tall trees here. The trees are old and strong. Their leaves are green. Some leaves are starting to turn yellow. It is autumn. The seasons are changing. I walk on the path. The path is made of stone. My shoes make a soft sound on the stones. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I listen to the sound of my walking. I see a bench near a small pond. I decide to sit down. The bench is wooden and comfortable. I sit and watch the water. The water is very still. It looks like a mirror. I can see the reflection of the clouds in the water. There are ducks in the pond. 1, 2, 3 ducks. They are swimming slowly. One duck dives under the water. Then it comes back up. It shakes its feathers. Water drops fly everywhere. It is funny to watch. Nature is beautiful. Nature is calm. A gentle wind blows. The wind touches my face. It feels cool. I close my eyes for a minute. I listen to the sounds of the park. I hear the wind in the trees. Whoosh, whoosh. I hear children laughing far away. I hear a bicycle bell. Ding, ding. These are the sounds of life. They are peaceful sounds. After my walk, I feel a little hungry. I decide to go to a café. There is a nice café across the street. It is a small place. It is cozy and warm. I open the door. A bell rings above the door. Ding dong. The smell of coffee hits me immediately. It is a strong, rich smell. I love the smell of coffee. It makes me feel awake. I walk to the counter. The barista is a young woman. She is wearing a green apron. She smiles at me. "Hello, what would you like?" she asks. "I would like a cappuccino and a croissant, please," I say. "Sure," she says. "Please take a seat." I find the small table in the corner. It is near a bookshelf. This cafe has books for customers to read. I look at the books. There are travel books, cookbooks, and storybooks. I pick up a book about travel. It has pictures of mountains and oceans. The barista brings my order. The cappuccino has white foam on top. There is a little chocolate powder on the foam. It looks like a piece of art. The croissant is warm and golden. I eat my croissant. It is crispy and buttery. I drink my coffee. It is hot and creamy. I read the book. I look at pictures of Italy and Japan. I imagine traveling there. Reading takes you to new places. Reading is an adventure. The cafe is quiet. Other people are working on their laptops. Some people are talking softly. The music is low. It is jazz music. The piano plays gently. It is a relaxing atmosphere. I stay here for an hour. I feel rested. I feel happy. It is time to go home. But first, I need to buy some food. I go to the grocery store. I take a basket. I walk down the aisles. I need vegetables for dinner. I see the red tomatoes. They look fresh. I pick 3 tomatoes. I see the green cucumbers. I take 1 cucumber. I see the orange carrots. I take a bag of carrots. I like cooking. Cooking is creative. Tonight, I will make a salad and some pasta. Simple food is the best food. I go to the bakery section. I buy a loaf of bread. The bread is still warm. It smells like yeast and flour. I put it in my basket. I go to the checkout counter. There is a short line. I wait patiently. Waiting is okay. I look around. I see a mother with her baby. The baby is sleeping. He looks very peaceful. It is my turn. I pay for my groceries. The cashier gives me a receipt. Thank you, I say. Have a good evening, she says. I put my groceries in a reusable bag. I walk out of the store. I walk back home. The sun is starting to go down. The sky is changing color. It is orange and pink. It is a beautiful sunset. The street lights turn on. I arrive home. I unlock the door. I take off my shoes. I put on my comfortable slippers again. I am home. Home is a safe place. I go to the kitchen. I wash my hands. I wash the vegetables. I chop the tomatoes. Chop, chop, chop. I slice the cucumber. I boil water for the pasta. While I cook, I listen to the radio. They are playing classic songs. I hum along to the music. Cooking is relaxing for me. It helps me forget any stress. Dinner is ready. I put the pasta on a plate. I put the salad in a bowl. I sit at my small dining table. I eat slowly. The food tastes fresh. The tomato is sweet. The bread is soft. I am grateful for this food. After dinner, I wash the dishes. The warm water feels nice on my hands. I clean the kitchen. A clean kitchen makes me feel organized. Now it is late. The sky is dark. I can see the moon through my window. The moon is white and bright. I see a few stars. I change into my pajamas. My pajamas are soft cotton. They are very comfortable. I brush my teeth again. I brush my hair. I go to my bedroom. I turn on a small lamp. The light is dim. Bright light is not good before sleep. I want to relax my eyes. I sit on my bed. I think about my day. I think about the morning tea. I think about the walk in the park. I think about the ducks in the pond. I think about the warm coffee. It was a good day. It was a simple day. I turn off the lamp. The room is dark. I get under the blanket. The blanket is heavy and warm. I put my head on the pillow. The pillow is soft. I close my eyes. My body feels heavy. My legs are tired, but a good kind of tired. I take a deep breath, in and out. I listen to the silence of the night. Everything is quiet. The world is sleeping. I am ready to sleep too. I let go of my thoughts. I let my mind float. I drift into sleep. Good night. Here are some cool words and ideas from the story, explained simply for a beginner. Number 1. Kettle. This is a special pot used only for boiling water. Think of it as the hot water machine. It sits in the kitchen and gets very hot so you can make tea or coffee. Number 2. Sip. This is different from drinking. Drinking is normal. Sipping is when you drink a very tiny amount at a time. You do this when something is very hot, like tea, or very fancy. Number 3. Steam. When water gets super hot, it turns into a white cloud and floats up into the air. That ghost water is called steam. It is usually a sign that your drink is ready. Number 4. Breezy. This describes the weather. It isn't a storm, but the air is moving. It feels like the wind is gently touching your face and messing up your hair just a little bit. Number 5. Wag. This is a special verb just for dogs. When a dog is happy, its tail moves left and right very fast. That dance is called a wag. It means the dog likes you. Number 6. Reflection. This happens when water or a mirror acts like a camera. You look at the pond and you see your own face or the sky looking back at you from the water. That picture is the reflection. Number 7. Barista. This is a fancy Italian word we use in English. It is the job title for the person who makes coffee in a shop. They are the coffee chef. And last, number 8. Cozy. This is a feeling. Imagine wearing soft socks, sitting in a soft chair, wrapped in a warm blanket while it rains outside. That safe, warm, comfortable feeling is cozy. Number 9. Aisle. This is the name for the long walking paths inside a supermarket. You have shelves of food on the left, shelves of food on the right, and the aisle is the street in the middle where you walk with your cart. Number 10. Receipt. The small, annoying piece of paper the machine prints after you pay. It is the written memory of everything you bought and how much money you spent. That's all for today. Thanks for listening, English Cat Podcast. Keep practicing. See you in the next episode. Bye.